Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our book. Today we are in the 15th page. We're in page 15, inshallah. And today we are going to proceed with our practice in reading, and we are going to go one level higher. That is, we are going to read words which are made up of 3 letters, inshallah. So as you can see in this page, we have تدريبات القراءة الطبيعية is just exercise in normal reading. So we have some example here, and I'm going to show you easy way of how to read it. So we have the first one, for example, ba, ra, ba, ضرب, fa, ta, ha, فتح, ما, sa, ha, مسح, سلك, سلك, وهب, وهب, كسر, كسر. Okay, now these words, as you can see them, they are not joined together. They are just in their initial state, but they are words in Arabic. So here they are showing you an example of how to read a word. So here we will read from right going to left. For example, here the first one we have ha. Okay, ha, ha, ma, hama, ha, hama, hamala, hamala, fa, fata, fata, fataha, fataha. Okay, fataha, hamala, fataha, sa, sa'a, سأل, سأل, ذا, ذه, ذه, ذهب, ذهب, نا, نفى, نفى, نفع, 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 ك, كتا, كتا, كتم, كتم. Inshallah, let's continue. Then we have ha, haba, habasa, 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 ma, مضى, مضى, مضغ, مضغ. Okay, مضغ. طيب, let's go to the second half. So inshallah, do not forget that this the first top exercise, we read them going from right to the left. Okay, now the next one we read from up going downwards. Okay, so we have the first one, saw, sana, sana'a. Okay, do not read going like this or this. Okay, we read from up to down. Okay, طيب, saw, صنع, صنع, صنع. Okay, صنع. ظل, 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 ظلم, ظلم. جا, جنى, جنى, جنح, جنح, جنح. ع, عبا, عبد, عبد, عبد. شا, شكا, شكا, شكر, شكر, شكر. را, ركع, 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 ركع. Okay, so we have صنع, صنع, ظلم, ظلم, جنح, جنح, عبد, عبد, شكر, شكر, and lastly ركع, ركع, ركع. طيب, inshallah, if you have any question, let us know. Please share with other people this information. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Inshallah, if you have any question, let us know. مع السلامة.